Here you go. Open your mouth. Wait, what are you going to do? Grandpa whispered, concerned. I'm going to give our special customer some authentic spice, Grandma replied. Not the Mitmita. Grandpa gasped in surprise. Yes, if she can survive this, she is tougher than she looks. If not, she wouldn't survive life in the Habesha family, Grandma explained without emotion. She was convinced her plan would work. That has nothing to do with anything, Grandpa mumbled. She turned around and said, What did you say? Even though Grandma is short, at 4 feet 11 inches, 1.2 meters, she still scares people. Grandpa only replied, Nothing. Even though he's 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall. Grandma took the jar of Mitmita to the dining room and walked directly to where my future mom and dad were talking and actually having a good time getting to know each other. When my dad saw the jar, he knew something wasn't right. In some families, they wash your mouth out with soap if you say a bad word. Grandma makes you eat a tablespoon of Mitmita. So when he saw she had the jar and a spoon, he knew something bad was about to happen. Excuse me, Mama Tsehay said sweetly, but the vibe was wrong. Danny, your dad needs you in the kitchen. My dad tried to say something, but when he saw the look on Grandma's face, decided not to argue. He excused himself and went to the kitchen. My mom was left alone with a mama lion. Hi, Guale, do you like your food? Oh, yes, it's very delicious. But ta'um, my mom said, laughing nervously. Tom Habki, I have an authentic spice here I'd like you to try. It's like a berbere. It's called Mitmita, she explained. Would you like to try some? Oh, I've heard about that. I'd love to try some, my mom said excitedly. Great! It's usually better with meat, but you can try some with your own bladder. Here, I'll give you a teaspoon of Mitmita and a gursha. Don't worry, my hands are clean, she said as she already started preparing injera, Tsehay, ayeb, and Mitmita to give to my mom. Gursha? My mom asked, a bit confused. Yes, I will feed you, she replied, starting to get annoyed. She wanted to finish this plan and get back to work in the kitchen. Oh, you mean mukhalas? You've been spending too much time with your amiche husband, my mom said playfully. Grandma was furious. Who was this black American girl telling me about my culture? But she had to finish her plan, so she stayed calm. Yes, you're right. It is hard to keep all the languages separate in my mind, she said sweetly as she put the whole teaspoon of Mitmita onto a gursha of ayeb. Here you go. Open your mouth. Delicious, my mom said with her mouth full, which she always tells me not to do. I'm glad you like it, said Grandma with a fake smile. I have to go back to the kitchen now. See you. Grandma walked back into the kitchen, nearly knocking Dad and Grandpa down. They had been watching in fear through the kitchen window. She walked right past them, went back to chopping red onions, and said without even turning around, My job is done. If she comes back even after Mitmita, then we'll talk.
Comprehension questions.
Why did Mama Tsehay get angry when Danny corrected her? Have you eaten Mitmita before? How did it affect you? What Tigrinya words did you learn in this section?
Come back next time to find out what happens next. If you want to follow along with the English or Tigrinya while you're listening, you can find the transcripts on my website. You might already be there if you're listening to the embedded Spotify audio. Tigrinlish short stories are produced by CrossGen. We hope to see you next time. Brak ma'alti.